Hi guys, for today's tutorial I will be teaching you on the Smartsheet creation of a form. So customized form wherein you can use it every day. So to tailor to your office needs, school needs. So let's get started. So first up, you're going to log in. Let's log in here. Then you enter your password. Then log in. Okay, in this page, I have created um, a sheet and I named this as marketing request form. Though you can see I don't have anything yet here. So it just showed the form field 1, field 2, department area. So above this one, it has many functional buttons that you can see. And the important thing here is the file, automation, and the forms, which we're going to use today. So you can see this is empty. So we have to put something here to make use of the form. So click on the forms, then manage forms. Or you can create a new form. So I click on the form. Then you have the first page, like form field. It is form field 2, the date, and the department. So I name this as marketing request form, or you can change this like any other title. Next one here, you can describe the marketing requests. It's optional, and if you can see, if you click all the fields on the left, it's you can remove it, or you can remove or add. So there's an X at the side, you can remove it. So if I click on this one, I can remove it. So the next one here is we're going to name the field 1, which is we're going to name the label as the name of the request. You can see it changes. From field 1, it changed to name, and you can tag it as required field. See the asterisk here. It's required. Okay, and then the next one here, you can is the form date field, which you can change. You can change anytime. It's referring to the date of submission, or we can change it like date of submission, or request date. Request date. We can make it as required. And the default value, it's given here, so it's automatic. So today, anyways, you can change it. Then the next one here is the department where the requester belong. So you can remove it or you can add it. Department. So by clicking on this one, so it will prompt you to a label. You can change the department like requesters department, or just the department. So you can have this one as required as well. You can, and then you can, in this department you can also choose, like there's a drop down this. Then if you can scroll down, you can list down the default value. So if you want to make use of the drop down list, you can put all the departments. Like for example, marketing, okay, marketing. Oh, department. Okay, so let me just put um case the column name. So let me just remove this first, column 5. Okay, so in this field you can also add a field and new field. So in this new add field you can also have file upload. So you can choose a file to upload here in the form. So you can just drag and drop. You can place it anywhere. Just place it on under the department here. So the user can upload anything here which is relevant to the documents. And you can also create a new form, so which you can drag and drop at the left. And if you don't want to add anything, just click on the X and to remove. Section divider. Okay, now we have the area. Okay, so I'll have here put a note. Kindly put your department area here. Okay. So it's also required. So mm, there's no value. So okay. You can also use radio buttons, vertical or radio buttons horizontal or drop down. Let's see. So if you're going to press the hidden value, it will not show anything. It's deactivated. So if you uncheck it, it will be activated once again. So for the default value, let's see. Oh, okay. So we're going to put the required field, and then if you want to use the drop down list, radio buttons. Let's see the radio buttons. It's not working. But if we're going to save and review, let's see. Okay, for the save and review, so you can see the name field, the request date. So if you're going to choose a date, it will show you automatically the date today and any date per choice. Then you can drag and drop your files or browse your file into your computer. And then the area you can select, which actually I did place here a while back. Like drop down this, which I place marketing, IT, or finance, or you can add anything. Okay, then if I'm going to place my name here. Okay, Jean Cruz. Then requester's date today. Then okay, and then the area I'm going to select marketing. Then I can click submit. Then we'll just go back and check. So if you want to go back and add something like the description of the request, we can add another form. Okay, I think this is not useful, so we have to just delete this one because we have also already an area which we have a default departments like marketing, IT, and so forth. Okay, so we have to put another field which we're going to name this as, we're going to put it here, description. Okay, I'm going to name this, just click on this one, and then we're going to name this as description. The request. So we can put a required field. So we can put like little instruction such as put the specific description, quantity, size, measurement, and other descriptive title. So the user can put the description or the purpose. Description, purpose. Okay, we can save it. Before saving it, I can also add form options. Form options by which if we're going to save this one, there's a confirmation that the user is going to receive, like, thank you, your response has been added to my Smartsheet. Or you can send the URL to the user, or reload the same form for another entry, or display this message. That's very important. Then there should be an email confirmation that you're going to receive if the recipient receive your email. So I should be notified if they receive the form. So just click save, and everything will be recorded. So I have here the marketing request form, or this is the one that I created. So I'm going to preview them. It's here. So in the name, description of the request date, file attachment, the area, and then this they can click or unclick. So you will have the copy of the responses, then submit. So let's try chain description, um, order for like three orders of whiteboard. Its request date. Then select marketing. Send me a copy of my response. Then you can they can add anything, their email address. Okay, then click submit. So I got your thank you response has been added to my Smartsheet. Let's see if this one is added. So I can close this one. Then I have your notification to refresh. So in here you can see the two arrows refresh button. Click, then you can see my name has been added to your orders of whiteboard, the area. For the unnecessary one, you can always right click and delete. Okay, can delete. We don't need anything, just delete the column. Department, we don't need it. So delete the ones that you don't need. Okay, that's it. So this one appeared on the automatically. Okay, and then let's save this one. Okay, this is the tutorial of the form.